The tech industry is hiding a massive shift happening right under our noses, and it involves the device you least expect. For the past decade, the tablet market followed a perfectly predictable, incredibly boring formula. You had cheap, plasticky tablets designed for throwing into a kid's backpack, mid-range tablets for casually browsing the web on the couch, and ultra-expensive pro tablets that cost more than a high-end laptop, marketed toward elite graphic designers and video editors. But something completely unprecedented just happened. Apple quietly tore up their entire playbook and completely changed the rules of what a baseline device is allowed to do. If you are sitting there right now planning to spend hard-earned money on a brand new laptop, or if you are looking at your aging computer wondering why it feels so slow and clunky, you need to pause immediately. The newly dropped Apple iPad 12th generation isn't just an incremental update with slightly smoother rounded corners or a marginally brighter screen. It is a calculated, aggressive piece of engineering that turns the entire concept of personal computing completely upside down. It intentionally bridges the gap between everyday convenience and raw, unfiltered powerhouse performance, making the highly expensive Pro models look like a massive waste of money for 95% of the population. By the end of this video, you will understand the exact hidden strategy Apple is deploying with this piece of silicon, how it handles heavy professional workloads without dropping a single frame, and the shocking hardware truth that major laptop manufacturers desperately hope you never find out. To truly understand why the iPad 12th generation is a massive threat to traditional computers, we have to talk about the great laptop stagnation. For years, the computer industry has been feeding consumers a massive lie. They told you that if you wanted to do real work, whether that's editing high-resolution video, managing heavy databases, writing thousands of lines of code, or multitasking between dozens of demanding applications, you absolutely needed a heavy, expensive clamshell laptop with a loud, whiny fan inside it. They made you believe that tablets were just glorified, oversized smartphones meant for consuming media, watching Netflix, and scrolling through social media. This keeps you locked into a continuous cycle of buying boring, overpriced laptops every few years. But behind closed doors, mobile chip architecture was quietly evolving at a terrifying pace. While traditional laptop processors were busy consuming massive amounts of battery power and generating immense heat just to stay fast, Apple was perfecting a different kind of architecture. With the 12th generation iPad, they have finally brought their legendary desktop-class power down to the entry-level price point. This means the baseline iPad sitting on a desk right now possesses more raw computational power, higher graphical throughput, and faster memory speeds than the premium, $1,000 laptops most people were buying just a couple of years ago. This sheer, overwhelming hardware dominance changes absolutely everything about the daily user experience. When you pick up the iPad 12th Gen, the first thing that hits you is a sensation of absolute, zero-latency speed. There is no booting up process. There is no waiting for the desktop to load or watching a spinning loading wheel while your background apps settle down. You tap the screen or open the cover, and the device is instantly awake, fully refreshed, and ready to work at the exact millisecond your finger touches the glass. Moving through the operating system feels incredibly smooth and fluid. You can glide between complex applications